today I'm going to show you how to paint leopard print nails. It's so easy and they turn out really cute. I can't wait to share with you. I'm going to make little dots wherever you want to place them. Okay, we have our black, and now we just need to clean our tool. Now we're going to be dipping it in this other color. And then you're not going to go around the entire print, just a little bit on the sides. Now I'm going to go over here on this side. And I'm going to do the top of this one and the bottom of that one. I'm going to do the top of this one, the bottom of that one, and then we're going to do the sides of this one. And there we go. We have our leopard print nails, and they are super cute.